In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to collaborate on your Wix website. If you are working with a team, a designer, a writer, or anyone helping you manage your site, Wix makes it easy to give them access without sharing your personal login details. That's important because it helps keep your account secure while still allowing others to work on the parts of the site they need. To get started, log into your Wix account and select the website you want to share. If you manage more than one site, make sure you choose the correct one before moving on, since permissions are set separately for each website. Once you are inside the dashboard for that site, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click Settings. From there, scroll down until you reach the General section. In this area, you'll find the option related to managing access and permissions. Next, navigate to Roles and Permissions. This is where Wix lets you control who can access your website and what they're allowed to do. It's a useful section because you can decide whether someone should have broad control over the site or access to only specific features. Now click the Invite Collaborators button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the invitation window where you can add the people you want to work with. In the email field, type the email address or addresses of the person you want to invite. Be sure to enter them carefully so the invitation goes to the right person. If you are inviting more than one collaborator, double-check each address before continuing after that. Assign a role. This part is very important because the role determines what that collaborator can access. For example, you might choose Manager if someone needs wide control over the site, Designer if they will be updating the look and layout, or a more specialized role such as Store Manager or Blog Writer if they only need access to a specific area. Choose the role that matches the person's responsibilities so they have the right level of access without unnecessary permissions. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invites. Wix will send the invitation and your collaborator can accept it to begin working on the site. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.